Y'all from here?
We live here. We live here.
All right. Welcome back, Keith.
That's it. Come on.
Welcome back, Keith.
That's it. Come on.
All right, you gave me the peace sign today. That's love. Yeah. All right. Let's go. All right, Keith. You still strong. You still got it.
I've never lost.
Okay, bet.
Please, keep calling. Been a minute, but I'm here. So it's kind of like difficult to hold this camera in front of your face and just go off the dome about whatever. That's the hardest thing, man. Shit, god damn. But I'm here, man. Like I said, all y'all gotta do is tune me in. And the God appears in the flesh, in the physical. Been here for trillions of years. The God don't have no birth record. We've been here before the sun, moon, and the stars. But it's Mardi Gras time, people. And I'm about to go see what's popping. Stay tuned. Get a little footage. Old school, man. Clean, no. Clean. It gets fire. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That bitch clean, bruh. Definitely. Should have something good in store today. You know what I'm saying? They should bring the toys out today. I'm guessing. I don't know. Again, we live in New Orleans. We don't live in Miami. We don't live in Houston. We don't live in Vegas. Well, LA. You know? Where that shit relevant. You can't come outside if you ain't in nothing spiffy. I live in the booth. Way at the bottom. We still country down here, man. We waiting to catch up. No offense to my New Orleanians who may watch the channel. No offense, but y'all know how I go, man. Shit, when it come to this whip shit, we behind, man. I don't know what it is. That sucker bad, boy.
Like a dot pad on my empire. Yo, nigga, straight, man, let me take
Looking like buses galore, cars galore. Man, I don't know what to say. We about to find out, though. Definitely. Peace, my brother. How you be? All right. Super packed. Endless. Diablo. Oh, I see you, man. I see you. It's Mardi Gras. This is what it's looking like. Culture. It's clean, boy. GMC. The Dodge GMC. I see you. Old school Cadillac. I see you.
Hold on, this who you mad about? My second one nigga with that wet mouth. My second one.
Overrated as in my opinion. I mean, and you know what though? That's typically how the bullshit goes. You feel me?
Private kinda hard to miss a flight. Plain James yesterday, buzzing on my wrist tonight. I ain't really fucking with the drink, but I might sip tonight. I ain't fuck my ex in a while, she might get dick tonight. You like you like
Where y'all from?
Let's go.
Y'all from
we
here?
live here. We live here.
All right.
We live here. I'm from California.
This video. This video.
Come in back then.
Want me off the plane because you know that I'm a swimmer. You're supposed to be a dog, but you don't.
Man, it's going down. It's going down. That's all I got to say. This might be the biggest Mardi Gras ever. That's where the party at down there. Man. Definitely ready for Mardi Gras. Oh, morning sunrise. That's it.
Oh, your lunch is ready.
Whoa.